Wow, I have got to ask, is GMAuthority.com watching my channel? Or are they just listening to the people and giving them what they want? I like to think they're watching my channel. So I'm going to try to keep this one short because I'm losing daylight and it's just a little bit of news, but to me, I think it's a big deal. So what's going on to be about 2 weeks ago now, I was talking about the recent Camaro recalls, and I talked a lot about the body control module enhancement recall, and you may remember me saying this. I don't have a tinfoil hat on, but I could make one right now. What is this about? Firmware upgrade, reprogramming, is it necessary? It doesn't say. Where's the information about what it fixes or enhances or takes away? So I think because GMAuthority.com must be watching my channel, I mean, why wouldn't they, right? We get a few breadcrumbs of additional information on the body control module enhancement. And one of my commenters on that original video, first commenter as a matter of fact, I believe, he was on the money. It appears they would have us believe there's a security update to address theft in some way. So I got the article here up on my phone for expediency. GM releases software update for 2020 to 2024 Chevrolet Camaro. We knew this. They talk about the customer satisfaction program where dealers will reprogram the body control module. They mentioned they've covered many thefts and attempted thefts of 6th generation Camaro models throughout 2024 and the illegal sideshows that came of those thefts. Since Camaro theft has been an unfortunate trend in recent years, we asked GM whether the reprogram would address the muscle car's theft problem. The article goes on to have a quote from a GM spokesperson, which, as usual with GMAuthority.com, spokesperson is unnamed, so take the information with a grain of salt. This body control module software enhancement involves an important security update for certain model year 2020 to 2024 Chevrolet Camaros, a GM spokesman said in a statement to GM Authority. GM counters vehicle theft methods as they evolve. We regularly work with law enforcement agencies to identify emerging tactics that may affect our products and make updates as needed to defend against them. Well, there we go. So, at the very least, they would have us believe the body control module enhancement is something useful. Obviously, they're not going to go into what it does, and I prefer they don't if this is what it actually is. Obviously, you don't want to give, the thieves the key to the kingdom by telling them what it is you're doing to stop them. But there we go. We have some information. I'm still going to wait some time for the update to get out there and, get repatched if it has to be repatched. That's just the IT skeptic in me. But what do you think? Do you think this is a good idea? Do you believe this information? Let me know in a comment below. Until next time, I'm JR, and I am out.